आपका फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल्स है?
So all our 700 plus stores till today are company owned, company operated. I can proudly say that. We are now thinking about franchising. Rather, we've signed up around 7-8 locations. उसमें से 2 खुल भी गए हैं. So I'll tell you why did we not do franchising earlier. So the thing was that we were very clear that we are building the brand. हम खुद build कर रहे हैं, हम खुद सीख रहे हैं. आप फ्रेंचाइज तब करोगे जब आप कुछ सीखोगे ना. आप टीचर तब बनोगे जब आप एक अच्छा स्टूडेंट बन के आप समझ के फिर आप टीचर बनोगे ना. आप एक वीक स्टूडेंट बनकर टीचर नहीं बन सकते. So in this entire journey, we've transformed the way momos were made, the way momos were sold in the last 15 years. हमने जैसे शुरू किया था और हम आज जहाँ हैं, मतलब दुनिया ही अलग है. So I think for us, the initial days was to first learn and understand better. And we felt that, we have better controls over what we do. So today I know I'm unorganized. मैं रात को 2 बजे जाके भी कुछ कर लूँगा. But I can't expect a third party to do that. Because वो तो ROI के लिए आ रहा है. And when you're building a brand, it's your baby, right? आप अपने बेबी में जितना केयर दोगे शायद कोई थर्ड पार्टी नहीं देगा, because they are coming as investors and it's very fair. आज अगर मैं भी इन्वेस्ट करूंगा तो I'll come as an investor. So we felt in that journey that doing it yourself was better. Also we felt that India as a market, if you see all the big brands have not had multiple franchisees. They have had one single big player, like Jubilant is Domino's, Devyani and Sapphire is KFC, right? Subway had multiple franchises and now they have consolidated and Everstone has taken over. So somewhere in India, franchising works very well when it's a product business. Like आप मान्यवर का कुर्ता बेचो, it's very easy. It's not tough. But when it's a food business, food is a product, a service, a learning and development, and a logistic business. It's 4 different businesses in one business. Now to get a franchisee to invest that much time, energy, effort, apart from the money, is very difficult. So the thought process was that first let us try and make this easier in the journey. So हमने जो हमारा पहला 100 स्टोर था, जितना हम मेहनत करते थे एक स्टोर बनाने में, एक स्टोर में प्रोडक्ट पहुंचाने में, एवरीडे पहुंचा था. आज वो एवरीडे become every alternate day. Because of the technology that we have, the logistical chain. So we actually touch all our 700 stores every alternate day. Right? Which is again a logistical business that we've created. तो आप समझ लो कि मेरे पास 700 distribution points है. मैं every alternate day उसको टच कर रहा हूँ. There are some जो olders है तो वो तो everyday कर रहे हैं, but जो new ones है every alternate day हम टच कर रहे हैं उसको. मतलब हफ्ते में 4 बार सप्लाई होती है उसको, right? और कहीं ना कहीं मेरा ये मानना है कि हमने बिजनेस करने का तरीका अभी सिंपल कर दिया है, जो पहले नहीं था. पहले हर सिटी में वो बनता था, अभी फैक्ट्रीज में बनते हैं. ठीक है, वो फैक्ट्री से कनेक्ट होता है, हर रीजन में एक फैक्ट्री है, तो बाय रोडवे एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे हर स्टोर कनेक्ट होता है. तो कहीं ना कहीं अब सिंपल हो चुका है कि अब हम फ्रेंचाइज कर सकें. बट अभी भी हमारा फ्रेंचाइज करने का मोटिव ये नहीं है कि इन्वेस्टमेंट आए या कोई और चलाए. हमारा मोटिव ये है कि इन Tier 3, Tier 4 सिटीज, राइट, दैट इज द रियल भारत. वहाँ के लोग एस्पिरेशनल हैं, बट वहाँ पे अगर मैं एक मैनेजर रखता हूँ ना, तो उसकी ओनरशिप उतनी नहीं होगी जो एक माइक्रो एंटरप्रेन्योर की होगी. I believe in the power of micro entrepreneurs in India. I think they are the future. So can I work with them? And it excites me to work with them. So my logic to franchise will not be that, my stores can open faster. My team can do that by God's grace. So this quarter, we have opened 64 stores in 3 months. My team has the potential to open 100 stores a quarter also. But then we don't want to go that fast also. So it's not about speed of opening कि उसके लिए हमको franchising करना है. It's by God's grace not even the funding part of it. But can I get a resource, a human resource who's an owner? Can I get micro entrepreneurs? Can I get them in my team? The answer is out of every 10, maybe 2 will be micro entrepreneurs, not all 10 of them. But when 10 guys are investing, I assume them to be micro entrepreneurs. So even the franchisees हमारे पास inquiries अभी आ रही हैं. By the way, हमारे नाम से बहुत फेक फ्रेंचाइजी भी की है. तो हमारे वेबसाइट में अगर आप अभी भी खोलो, और पहले भी खोलते थे, तो एक वो था कि बी अवेयर ऑफ फेक फ्रेंचाइजीज. हमने पेपर में ऐड भी दिया कि बी अवेयर. और फिर हमको ये भी लगा कि भाई अगर फेक बिक ही रहा है और लोग चीट हो रहे हैं, तो उससे अच्छा हम शुरू करते हैं, अपने लोगों को पता चलेगा कि सही तरीका क्या है करने का. प्लस कैन वी गेट एक्सेस टू माइक्रो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स? सो by franchising, I am looking for the next Sagar, to be the king of that region. So, and that excitement to find the next Sagar in that small market, in that small town, is what is giving me a kick on franchising. So although my logic till today was not doing it, and that was a very different logic, this is a very different logic why I want to do it. And let's see, we'll explore this year. We'll open 20 franchise stores this year and see how it goes. We've got a dedicated guy to handle relationships. And it's not easy to work with 20 different individuals, Like I said, everyone has a different characteristic, different nature. So today, if we can work with 7,000 team members who are family, Can we have 20 owners also who are family? Is the next big question, which I am throwing as a challenge to myself, to my team, and let's see where life takes us.